Stellar XLM holder, watch this video and be safe from loss. What's next? Can upcoming time Stellar is wake up again now or not? They falls down more and more. What's the prediction? Can upcoming time, my friends, they moving upward or not? Let's check out, my friends, to what's going on this time in the current update. Absolutely, I will tell you, my friends, to upcoming time they also moving upward or not. But kindly, you before I get started the video, I request you to subscribe this channel and yes, press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my all holder. If you can see this time, last 24-hour chart is I already open. And this chart is going to show you, my friends, to there is a chance to they moving upward enough coming down or not. So you can see, my friends, they completely moving in this circulation to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. Definitely you can see after a very big fails, my friends, they also take a very good jump. So it's mean to if they fails down very highly, then absolutely they will go up in the moon, my brother, in upcoming time. From last 7 days they completely fell down and the price come to 0.6 USD dollar. I hope, my friends, they will hit 1 USD dollar at the end of month if they start moving upward. Definitely, my friends, you can see here in this circulation, as I'm gonna show you, my friends, you can see here to the current time they will change occur will be positive. Let's see, my brother, the last 1 hour chart, what's going on in the last 1 hour. They will, yes, exactly, my friends, my chart is absolutely right, my brother. So it's mean to in upcoming times my prediction is be right. In upcoming times they will go they will move up. Definitely you can see, my friends, this is completely moving upward. So it's mean to upcoming time there is a more chances to them moving upward. So kindly you need to XLM holder, you need to hold and wait for the end of month. I hope, my friends, the price will be double. So you need to hold it and wait for the like. Please, this is my opinion, to hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of month. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, and if you want to further conversation with me, then absolutely the links is available on my channel, Instagram, Twitter, every links available. Go it now and message me. Allah Hafiz, take care.